What's better than finding a viral winner through Q4? Finding a viral winner through Q4 that has a ton of profit. In this video, I'm going to take you through 10 products that have massive profits in them. And at the end, I'm going to tell you which one I think has the most chance of actually going viral and making you a hell of a lot of money. Let's go. First up, we have the oversized women's denim jackets. These things have a ton of profit in there, and you're making around that $40 to $50 profit per sale. What I would suggest for these specifically is doing husband and wife designs so you make double the profits when you do sell these products. And the supplier with these denim jackets is none other than Shine On. Another product that blows up every single year is the Ugly Christmas Sweater. And Subliminator have an amazing catalog full of all types of different designs that you have access to. So you don't even have to create the designs. They're already pre-made. All you got to do is come in here, make sure you connect Subliminator to your Shopify store, and click on Publish for the ones that you want to actually run advertising for. Now, you could put them on Etsy as well. Just be mindful of the shipping times with them. But there's all sorts of niches in here. There's bikers, fishing, hockey, cooking. There's just funny, sarcastic type stuff. There is so much, and they absolutely go banana. These things are starting at $24 each, and you can sell them for up to and over $70 per product. Now, there are a ton of other products that you could sell with Subliminator as well that have massive profits in them. These all oversized printed hoodies. So these zipper cloaks are fantastic, massive. They've got that viral potential. Footwear is another one that's on the high profit list. So you're buying them for that $35 to $43 for each kind of style there, and you could sell them for close to $100 per sale. And again, do the husband and wife angle, do family reunions. Think about ways that you can create these products that blow up the amount of products that are actually being purchased in one order. Go through the Subliminator catalog. There's so much good stuff in here. They are filled to the brim with high profit print-on-demand products. Now, before we get into the products, if you want to learn how to sell any of them, I give you the step-by-step roadmap to creating scroll-stopping designs inside the Products Accelerator. I'm going to share a little bit more info about that a bit further on in the video, but if you want to check it out now, click the first link in the description below. Let's go. Another great product, again, is from Shine On. They've been filling it up with great products in here. There's a lot more than just jewelry these days. And one product that I really, really love and lends itself well to, based on whether or not you've been selling message card jewelry, are the blankets, because the blankets have a lot of real estate on them. And by real estate, I mean there's so much area that you can create messages as well as adding personalization like photos, locations, dates, all that kind of thing. So they're all elements that bring in that extra emotion, coupled with a message that hits deeply. It's that emotional message that sells these products. So the blankets specifically that I would focus on within Shine On are the heirloom or the heirloom artwork woven blankets. They start at the $28 mark. You got to include shipping in that, but that's a fairly decent price, and you can sell them for up to $150 per unit. Absolutely insane. If you think about creating designs like this, but doing the granddaughter kind of angle, the profits that you're going to be making are insane, because grandparents often have quite a few grandkids. So in that vein, you could potentially be selling 4 or 5 blankets in one order. That's $500-$600 pure profit that you could be making on every single order. Think about the way of expanding that average order value. You will thank yourself. Canvas has a lot of inbuilt profit as well, depending on what particular product you actually want to sell. So these 3-piece canvas, fantastic idea. The panoramic canvases, you've also got the rectangular ones, which is specifically what I would recommend. So try to remove all the extra bells and whistles from it, the frames and whatnot, until you have a viral winning product. But starting with this type of product here, just the rectangular canvas, that's wrapped, so it goes around the corner. They're frameless, they look great. But again, similar to the blankets with Shine On, what you can do is add a lot of personalization to it. You can put massive messages on one side, you put photo collages on another. Canvases do really, really well, and the profits on them are insane. You can make anywhere from $10, particularly on like the little ones, all the way up to $150 profit and beyond with them. They are a little bit more tricky to create. The husband and wife kind of angles or the granddaughters where multiples are being sold in one transaction, but you can still do it. It's just you have to do that exercise of what what niche. And speaking of niches, I have a 1,000 plus niche list guide that you can access from the link in the description below. So make sure you check that out if you are struggling. It's always good just to get some extra ones as well. Very, very handy. Another product that I love and I'm pretty well known for is the metal art. The metal art, the laser cut metal art, not die cut, is a fantastic product, and T-Launch allow you to create all sorts of different designs that you come up with, that you create. They're killer. It's a really, really top quality product. Customers love it. They're simple to design and there's lots of profit. I hate to be the one that breaks it to you, but unless you take action, you're going to be stuck in the same spot as you are right now this time next year. So if you want to change things, if you want to learn how to create a $5,000 to $10,000 per month print-on-demand business, then make sure you check out the Products Accelerator. In there, I am giving you the step-by-step blueprint to creating a $5,000 to $10,000 per month print-on-demand business in as little time as possible. I'm working closely with you. I keep the numbers deliberately small so that we have that time to have conversations so you can become confident in the products that you're launching. Now, if that sounds awesome to you, then make sure you click the link to the Products Accelerator in the description below. Check it out. If you love it, make sure you book a call with my team and I, because I'd love to have you in the program. Let's get back to it. Next on the list is OwnPrint. They're blowing up. And what I love about these guys is not only the engraved jewelry that you can sell, but the message card in behind that teams up with a personalized product like that. This allows you to do a lot of personalization. And again, one of the common themes that you'll be hearing through this video and all my videos is personalization is key. So adding this element to it where you've got that graphic pendant that is engraved with that message card is fantastic. And the beauty of OwnPrint is they're shipping from both the US and the EU. So focusing on one market in particular, i.e. the USA, starting to make sales there and then scaling into Europe is a great way to increase those profits dramatically. They've got tons of already made designs in here. You just go through their catalog. And so in their niches column in here, they've got a ton of ready-made designs for you. What I would suggest is to focus on one product type, one engraved pendant type, and put all your energy into that. You don't want to be offering all the different pendants that are available until you find a winning phrase. All your focus and attention needs to be going into creating a phrase that connects. Once you've got that, once you start making sales with a product that has a great message on it, then you can expand out the different products that you offer it on, start retargeting and bringing in these other products to help get more and more conversions, but not at the beginning. Because what happens if you start adding all the different pendants, you don't know what the variable is that actually caused that product to actually get sales, if it does. The thing is, it takes a lot of testing to find a product that has that phrase that does connect. Still with me? Focus on the phrase, the product comes second. Remember that. That is your secret sauce to success. You will find your winning products far faster and save yourself a huge amount of time. Now, another great product, and it's no wonder because when you think about these custom pillows and the personalization or customization you can put on them, is quite nuts. So these pet pillows here, you're seeing 36 have sold in the past 24 hours and they vary in different sizes as well. But where do we get them from? So the supplier with them is going to be Printify, and they've got a ton of different products. Now, I just want to throw that one in there. It's not necessarily a high profit product, but it is a unique product that does stand out. It's got a bit of a gimmick to it. So, you know, when it is being given as a gift at Christmas, there's going to be a moment there where it's about the humor. It's about the fun in the actual product. So having a wow factor in that is really cool. But the one I wanted to share with you, and the only reason I found that one was because of the pet pillows. These pet pillows, you can make $30 to $50 per sale on these products. Lots of different design ideas you can put on them as well. Have a look through the Printify catalog. They're full to the brim with good quality products. Check it out. The next great product with a ton of profit are area rugs. And you can see on Etsy here, there's a few different types and they're selling for hundreds of dollars. And the supplier that you want to use for that is Printify. T-Launch also has them as well. And the way to sell them is to think of what they're used for. Be a bit more creative. I wouldn't just typically go for your old school Middle Eastern patterns or things like that. I'd be looking at the cottage core, the design trends that are coming through on Etsy. I'd be looking at how I could add t-shirt graphics so people could use them in man caves and things like that. Another great product. Again, tons of real estate to put personalization in there and on there. Play around with it. The profits are insane, particularly when they start at a very, very low cost. And lastly, one of my favorite all-time products is the Shine On jewelry. And again, just a simple love knot with the message in behind. They are super simple products to create and design. The phrase is where all the focus goes, but the profits that you can make are fantastic. $50 to $60 retail price, and that's going to allow you to make around the $45 profit per sale. Fantastic product. I cannot recommend the Shine On pendants highly enough. And what you've all been waiting for. Which product do I think has the best chance of going viral for you this Q4? Well, to be fair, any that you put your time and effort into creating. It's very important that you don't have shiny object syndrome with this and that you only choose one product and one product type to focus on to be able to allow you the time that you need to be able to uncover where those viral designs are going to come from. But the one that I really like and I have liked for a long time is the print-on-demand metal art. I think there's so much opportunity still there for you to get in there, create some amazing designs, hit those niches and absolutely crush. And my second favorite are the all-over print, oversized hoodies from Subliminator. I think those things are fantastic and give you a unique opportunity to have a product with a wow factor that have insane profits built in. And if you want to learn how you can sell them and be able to get orders with multiple sales in the one order, then make sure you watch this video next. Stay awesome.